Who doesn't love a beautiful flower garden? But let me tell you, there are thugs in the garden that you have to manage. For instance, here, the sweet potato vine, while it's beautiful, it can encroach on your other plants. You can see what it's done here with this Sun Patience. So every once in a while, in this area, I've come back and I've cut away what I consider a garden thug. Beautiful, but it needs to be kept in its place. Let me show you an area over here where I haven't been pruning back. And you can see why it makes such a difference. Come on over here. Now take a look at this area, an area where I didn't really cut things back. You can see that poor little Sun Patient that's buried back here. We've got 3 thugs to deal with. We've got our friend the sweet potato vine again, this purple fountain grass, and then I've got a coleus over here. So let me show you what you can do to open this up where everybody benefits. Let's go. So in less than 2 minutes, I've cut this back and everybody wins. I've opened it up where the Sun Patience can now grow and flourish. I even found a lantana in there. Cutting back the thugs in the way of the grass, the sweet potato vine, and the coleus, well, they benefit too. They're more shapely and fuller. So don't be afraid to prune. It actually helps your garden.